Right, today I'm going to show you how to do some comment marking using your voice on this piece of students' work. You can see that I've got them it's loaded up into a Google document, it's in a drive, and I've only got one Google account open, and that's the one that I'm going to use with Kaizena, which is the add-on that allows me to record my voice and attach it to whatever part of the text I want. To start, I'm going to go to add-ons and I get add-ons. Okay, if you can't see Kaizena there, okay, then you can search for it and then click on there and it's free. It will ask you what account you want to use, so I'm going to choose that. Okay, scroll down and allow. Okay, if it doesn't, see that it's working down the bottom. If it doesn't appear up here like this with the Kaizena voice comments, then you might need to repeat that process a second time. Don't worry, that's quite common. Okay, so now I go here, okay, Kaizena, voice comments, and I want open Kaizena. Okay, working, and then on the right hand side, what happens is there'll be a pane that appears. There it is. Okay, and I'm going to agree to the privacy policy and the terms of service. Okay, welcome, Chris. Okay, I'm a teacher. Okay, so I'm going to put in my school. Okay, make sure that's correct. Okay. So I'll do that. And it will ask me for other details as well. There it is, it's found me. And I'm going to save the school. Okay, I'm going to teach computing. Okay, like that. And as this is for a sixth form class, I'm going to choose other and leave it there like that. Okay, I could add other subjects, but at this point I'm not going to do that. Okay, set subjects and grades, and then I've finished. And you can see it says I'll be redirected, and it's just about to happen. So now I'm ready to go, ready to actually use this. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to highlight this top section here, principles, okay, and you can see it turns up here on the right hand side, and I'm going to make a voice comment, okay, and the voice message is going to say, you need to reorganize this piece of work. Please use the headings that I've put at the bottom of the piece of work, and you can see the headings that are down at the bottom here. So I stop and I post, okay, and I've now got a 12-second voice clip added to that principles, okay, and I can play it just to check that I'm happy. Okay, so I'm happy with that as a comment. Okay, I'm now going to go over the purposes here, different purposes, and I'm going to add another comment. And I'm going to say, so games are primarily for entertainment, but do think about the range of genres. So there's educational games, there are shoot 'em up games, third-person shooters, that is. There are also role-playing games, multimedia games, dungeons, text-based games, puzzle games, strategy games, etc. And they all have their own purposes in addition to being entertaining. So now I've made another vocal edit, okay? And I can keep going down all the way through this. Okay? When I share the document at the top with my student, which I'm going to do in a minute, then they'll be able to log themselves into Kaizena by getting the app, okay, in the add-on in the very same way that I did, and then they'll be able to see my comments. And that brings me to the end of this particular video.